All right, let's set up my planner for March. I'm going to put in a new dashboard. I'm going to put in all the pre-planning that I can do for the month ahead, and I'm going to pre-plan what sticker books I'm going to use each week. Let's do this. Hello my planner pals, and welcome back. And if you're new here, hi, I am Di. I am here at Creative Comedy Design. Today I'm setting up my planner for March, and it's a bit of a spring refresh, a little bit of a spring refresh in the fact that I ended up not putting in my February, because if you remember, we had all the power cuts, etc, etc, and that's what I'm going to say about that, etc, etc. So these are the printables for March, or part of the set for March. It says, spring is a reminder of how beautiful change can truly be. And there are 3 dashboards in the set and then 2 kind of note papers. I've printed it out twice. I don't know if you can see here. This one is the one that I'm using. This is on matte sticker paper. This is on just regular cardstock. I don't know whether you can see the difference in the print here, but this one on the matte sticker paper is much more vibrant. So that's what I will say. If you are struggling with getting your printables to be vibrant and clear and all of that, get yourself some matte sticker paper. I will leave a link to this one down below. It's just Canon matte sticker paper. But again, this works, just regular cardstock, but this just takes it up to a whole other level. So if you have not been here before and this is your first time seeing me, I am just setting up my planner for the month ahead. So I come in, I put in all of my sticky notes with appointments and stuff like that. I've already done a few because, you know, we got to get going. We got to get going. Some things, as they come up, get added. I will leave a link to the set in the comments down below, but they're basically on Patreon. If you're a $5 member or above, you get them for free. Otherwise, they are available to purchase in my Patreon store. Yes, yes. My planner is a little bit chunky right now because I added some stuff to my planner, which I will talk about in another video, but I added some pages into the health section. So let us go into March. I need to add in stuff. I thought I had some other sticky notes. Sticky notes, sticky notes, sticky notes. I just want to make sure I've got everything. Saturday the 1st, I need my pen. Got 1 little word. 2nd is sky. 3rd is the accountants. 5th is pixel. Daylight savings. Property taxes. I thought I had a sticky for that. Did I not? Like a regular sticky. I'm just putting one of the reusable stickies in. This is for the Stories by the Month add-ons. I get charged for it on the 12th, but on the 10th, I can add other products to it and I just get free shipping. So 13th, we've got full moon, 1 little word, Mum's birthday, St. Patrick's Day, and Planet Fitness, Stella's birthday, Dave, new moon, and Mother's Day, and Flea and Tick. Now, if you are new here and you're like, what the hell, Di? Why are you putting Mother's Day in for March? Mother's Day is in May. In the UK, and I'm going to say this again, in the UK, it's in March. It's usually around my mom's birthday, but it's on the 30th. So if you have anybody that you know in the UK, then Mother's Day is here. Mother's Day is here. All right, and I've got the full and the new in there, and we're good. Okay, perfect. And then when I come to decorate this, I take the stickies off here and I just put them in my weeks. That's how I do it. All right, so now we've done that, we can talk about the fun stuff, which is the decorating. So I've put here, this was from a different video, a video that I did on Patreon. This was from that, and it is to use the Homesteader here because it has similar colors to this. I'm thinking about kind of staying with the blues, but I think we're going to use this. So Homesteader, and I take the sticker books and then I put them in the bottom shelf of my planner card, and then they're there. If I change my mind, I'm allowed to change my mind. If I change my mind, then that's fine, but otherwise that's where they live. All right, and then for here, I think because it is craft month, I'm going to do Miss Maker. And I can change my mind because I also like it to be kind of seasonal, which is St. Patrick's Day, right? I'm going to say or cheerful seasons or essential holidays. My feeling is it's Miss Maker. My feeling is it's Miss Maker. What I'm going to do, which is not my usual, I'm going to take this. I've literally just put Saint P, and that will go in there. I can flip-flop. That's fine. Okay, first week. The first week, on the 3rd, it's Princess Day. And on the 8th, I think it's International or National Women's Day, which seems like a good thing for princess, right? And to take out the decision fatigue, which is what this is all about, I need to figure out who I'm going to use. Who have I not used? I haven't done Jasmine. Let's do Jasmine. I'm going to do Jasmine. And to make sure that that is ready, I'm just going to move the cover. Put them to the front. Okay, and we're going to do Jasmine. I need to find some boxes for that. I can just use gold. Plus boxes. Okay. Perfect. Then, for the week of the 10th, the 16th is a panda day. Now I've done a panda spread before, and I used these. I got these on sale for 62 cents about 2 years ago at Hobby Lobby. So I kind of want to use these. Now, I do need to use something with them. This is one of the books that I'm trying to use up. So I'm thinking, could I use the brown and the black in here? I think I prefer green. I might have to do some printables there. Panda Day. Pandas plus printables question mark. Okay. And then for the week of the 17th, we've got St. Patrick's Day. It's also the first day of spring. I think we're going to go springy. We're going to go springy in here. I don't know whether I want to do this or this, or whether I want to go seasonal. Of these two, I prefer this one, but I need to use up this one. Just saying. I'm gonna say spring, and we use springtime flora. This is actually a teacher book. I think we'll just use this. And we'll just use that. Or Made to Bloom, because I also really love that one. Okay, then the week after, the 26th, I've already put it in here, look, Stella's birthday. I put happy illustrations. Oh, the birthday stuff. Do I want to do that? I used all the pet things out of here. Do I want to use the birthday things? I need to remember that I have this. See, now that I'm looking at this, do I want to do those? I don't. It's just a weird... No, the answer's no. Okay, I've got one dog sticker. I do like this though. No, I don't. No, I don't like that idea. Just so you know, I don't like that idea. I think I'm going to use colourful dogs. Stella's birthday, colourful dogs. Okay, and then for my wellness planner, which is a vertical, I am going to do something like, oh, you know, I'm just sorry. I have just had an idea. That book, I can use that one again. I can use this again because this has green in it. Is it the same green? It's near enough. Yeah, we're going to use that again. Again, trying to use it up. It's not that I don't like it. It's just that it's a big book, so it lends itself to the dashboard or currently pages. That's also making me think of the Bold and Bright, or whatever it's called, something like that. But yeah, I think we're going to do that there. Yes, yes. Okay, and then here we'd already done for the first week, which is the 3rd to the 9th. I'm thinking stash. I'm thinking let your heart wander, because this is wellnessy, and that's what I use this for, is wellness stuff. Health and wellness. Got mood trackers. See, that would be fine for there as well, because of the green. Let's put that in there as well, just in case I run out of ideas. Let your heart wander. And I think I might see if I can put some of this in. I think it's got a similar green. Yeah. I'm going to try and combine those together. And Free Spirit Jewel Tones. Because there are 2 free spirits, because heaven forbid they should call one something different. This is for the week of the 10th to the 16th. And maybe that's where that other book comes in, the Made to Bloom. Where did I put that? Yeah, I think that one comes in there. Oh, or I could use the Happy Illustrations. See, because this lends itself well to this layout. I need to remember that I have this. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go with the Made to Bloom. I'm feeling the flowers lately. Can't help it. Made to Bloom. And then the week after will be St. Patrick's Day. That is the 17th to the 23rd. St. Patrick's Day. My plan, here's my plan for this. I'm going to collect, I know in the seasonal, the quote book, I've got St. Patrick's Day. So it's going to be a mishmash. I want to collect all the little St. Patrick's Day things that I have from other books and put that in there. The other thing that I could do is use the Cheerful Seasons. If I don't use the Cheerful Seasons for the monthly, then I'll use it here. I think that's the plan for that. And then for this week, is that right that that's the 30th? Hang on, quick check of the dates. It's got to be right, yeah. It's a week of the 30th, so the 24th to the 30th, it's Mum's Day in the UK. Again, don't get hung up on the fact that I have to celebrate it twice. Mum's Day in the UK. I'm going to use a book that I've not used yet. I got this on sale. This is a mom's book. It's the Fresh Bouquet. So I might use these. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Because there's some mom type stickers in there. Right there. There, right there. Right there. So I might use these type things. Oh, see. Workout boxes. Why is there only 6? So annoys me when they do stuff like that. So annoys me. Oh, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Okay, I think I'm going to use that. Okay, yeah. And then the only other thing that I need is my tarot. So for this, I don't decorate a whole bunch in this. I really don't. All I do is just do a little something just to brighten up the page. So I think what I'm going to do for this is if I'm using this already, do I want to carry on using this? I think I might want to use this. I was going to go with something a bit more bright and colourful, but I also want to use this book up. Let's use Free Spirit. We can make it our stash busting sticker book. Yes. All right. That is my setup. Sorry, I've just looked off to one side. If you have been here before, you'll know I have a hate-hate relationship with the girl with goals. I don't like the colours. This is all I have left from this. I don't like the colours, but I've just looked at it and it goes well with the Made to Bloom. Like that purple. I think that they would go. And I'm going to put plus go with goals. Again, I'm trying to use my stash. That is me set up for March. These planners will go back into my tote. These sticky books will live on the bottom shelf of my planner cart. If you are interested in the planner stash challenges, I will put them on the screen now. But basically, if you want the heads up, then I will try and share them on the community tab, on my Patreon, and on my email list. Let me know what sticker books you're wanting to use in March and what themes you are doing in your planner spreads. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and go watch this video. All right, bye.